What's up, YouTube? Hey, I'm just tapping in really quickly, man. Market hours are closed for the day. And with that being said, we got another day in the books on this shortened week due to Good Friday this week, okay? So listen, guys, we got 4 trading days for this week. We got 2 down. We got 2 more to go, okay? And with these last 2 days, we got Wednesday and Thursday. I need you to bring your A game for these final 2 days. Check it out. Matter of fact, before I dive into that, major salute to everybody that did their thing on the day, to everybody that sent me screenshots of how you did on today. Remember, guys, the trend is your friend. If you got in and out, whether to the upside or downside, great job, okay? The market did exactly what I told you guys it would do this morning in the Discord, a pump fake, okay? Shoot up in the morning, but shout out to everybody that took profit on that initial shoot up, okay? Get in and get out. Everybody else that rode the market down the rest of the day, way to follow the trend going down in stocks all throughout the stock market on today, okay? But listen, guys, we had a sell-off today. And I often mention the fact that during times like this, you have to understand that sell-offs create buying opportunities, okay? And you need to look at today in such a manner that if you can get plays at attractive levels, it's a great time to do so, especially for your long-term perspectives, okay? Especially for the long-term outlook, all right? And so I want, as a homework assignment, I got something I need you guys to focus in on, okay? As a family, we are going to monitor the SPY, okay? The S&P 500, but the ticker symbol SPY, okay? Today, it was trading between 440. We was waiting to see if it broke that level, okay? So since it broke 440, the next level we are watching, because it will determine what your stocks do. We're trying to see if it go from 440 down to 435. It already broke through 440, so we trying to see next level. Does it go to 135 and find support? Does it maintain at 140 level? Or does it go to 435 and fall through, okay? And so I need you guys to make sure you're keeping an eye out on the SPY for the remainder of the week. Because listen to this, guys, in a shortened week, I told you guys this over the weekend, and you guys got to make sure, please do me a favor. You know I love you guys to death. Please like and subscribe. Please make sure you turn on your bell notifications and all of that stuff so that you're up to date with what's going on, so that you can be aware and have a game plan for how to attack the market, okay? But I shared over the weekend that in a shortened week, like whenever we have a 3-day weekend coming up or a holiday, the next one is going to be Memorial Day. So I'm preparing you guys in advance. Then it's going to be 4th of July. But right now we got Good Friday. And typically on weeks leading up into a 3 or 4 day weekend or what have you, the market tends to sell off because Wall Street don't want to hold their stocks into a 3-day weekend, okay? So you will see irky jerky movement throughout the stock market, throughout many of your plays, okay? But that don't mean you won't get some opportunities to the upside, but it just means more likely plays will go down. So embrace it all, but understand just historically, I've been doing this for over a decade, guys. It happens time and time again, okay? It don't mean they can't hit us with a curveball and Thursday end up being an up day, but overall we already see. So I want you guys to focus on the SPY, because the SPY, if it continues down, like down from 440 level down to 435, okay? If it start going to 435, then your Nvidia play will go down. Tesla will start coming back down to 950 and back down towards the 910, okay? 910 when I say that, okay? And so you need to be mindful of the correlation of how it affects your individual stocks. Apple will start coming back down to 165, 164, that kind of stuff, okay? But it gives you something to go off of so that you can kind of know what your stocks will do. Now, the same is true in reverse. If the SPY gets back to 440 and then goes back to 447, 457, 460, you're going to see your plays go back up. Tesla will go back to 1100. Apple will get back to 171. 175. You guys follow me on that? So pay attention so that you guys can kind of get a little, we always got to look for an advantage in the stock market when we're dealing with Wall Street, okay? We always have to look for that advantage, okay? And one advantage we have is the SPY and monitoring its action, okay? And when you guys get really good, that's a great play too, as an option to play to the upside and downside, because those numbers, they hit every single day, okay? But I just wanted to put that on you guys, man. Stay the course. Understand they're trying to shake out weak hands at this point in time, but we're not weak-handed around here. We stay 10 toes down. When there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat for us. So that's exactly what we do. We go shopping. We buy this stuff up. Matter of fact, I'm getting construction done, guys. So that's why I've been doing the Car Chronicles, okay? So my YouTube studio and everything, my house is just a bunch of people doing a bunch of work. We're getting new bathrooms upstairs and downstairs. We're getting some work done on the outside, so I can't get to the studio, okay? So I've been in the car trying to find time to pop these videos out, okay? But I don't want to miss a day, and I don't want to miss a beat with you guys, because I need us to still be dominating and doing our thing each and every day in the market. I don't care nothing about a shortened week. I don't care nothing about no holiday. I don't care what the stock market is doing. When we have a game plan, we can go do what we do, okay? And that's what I'm expecting, and I want us to finish the week on a strong note, okay? So check it out, okay? We're gonna monitor the SPY, SPY as a family, okay? And I'll wrap this up. But pay attention to how Apple trades with it. Pay attention to how Nvidia trades with it, and pay attention to how Tesla trades alongside the SPY, okay? Meaning, if the SPY goes down, just peek at your Apple play, peek at your Tesla play, peek in Nvidia, and see does it go down too, okay? Just do me that favor. Get in the habit of knowing the correlation between the indexes and individual stocks, okay? Because they all go hand in hand. Sometimes they trade right alongside each other. You'll see their charts look identical at times. You'll see one of them is diverging from the rest of the pack. You'll see a bunch of different things, but all of it is intel, so that we can continue to sharpen our sword and be better each and every day. Listen, guys, really quickly, I got a word of the day for you, then I'll let you go, okay? Our word of the day for today is none other than dividends, okay? Listen, guys, a dividend is nothing more than you owning a stock and a company. Instead of investing money back into the company, they're choosing to pay their shareholders. That is what a dividend comes down to in the most simplest form, okay? It's companies that's having excess money on their balance sheet, and they're just rewarding investors for being shareholders of the stock. And when they do that, you guys are able to receive a dividend. But check this out. Dividends is something that oftentimes it take a lot of capital inside those plays for the payout to get to a level where it's really worth something. Okay, so remember, for those of you that have dividend stocks as part of the fold, always be building those out. If you don't have nothing else to invest in, guys always ask me, what do I do with my home runs? Guys, listen, when I hit, like today, I knocked Lucid out the park, and I did a put on Apple and knocked that out the park too. But listen to this, guys. When I take profit, I put them, one of the places I put them, I do two things. I put them in my dividend stocks, always building it out because I'm trying to ultimately get a bigger dividend payout, okay? Or I put it into my longer term plays that are not fully built out. So if I don't have 125 shares yet and I got like 78, I might buy 7 shares to get to 85. You guys get where I'm going with that? I'm always using it to build out. I'm just using money I'm making from options to build out my stocks outside of when I add my $500 every 2 weeks. So dividend plays can be good, but it take a lot of money. But dividends in general are just the payout that companies give for holding and owning the stock and being a shareholder of that stock. Okay, so understand what that is. Understand where and how it fits in your overall makeup of your portfolio too, okay? Because they have a place, but depending on where you are at in your journey, there could be better options for you to have that capital. So do me a favor and let me know down in the comments below if you have dividend stocks and what's your favorite dividend stock. Listen, guys, I say this every day. When they sleep, we eat. When they panic, we pounce. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.